Chinese cuisine have captured people's taste buds from around the world. Chinese food is very nutritious, but is also very balanced and provides everything the body and the metabolism needs to maintain a good, healthy life. So what is it that makes Chinese food so unique? The Chinese culture have always cut their ingredients into small bite-sized pieces. When using chopsticks, it places a far smaller bite in the mouth than a fork or spoon. This method makes you eat slower, makes you feel fuller sooner, therefore you eat less. The Chinese diet does not include dairy products such as milk, butter or cream. A small amount of meat is used to provide the right balanced meal. More emphasis is placed on rice, noodles and vegetables. That's because Chinese people are extremely health conscious and believe the main concept of healthy eating is the correct balance between the yin and yang. The yin food comprises of fruit and vegetables, while the yang food consists of meat, which is used in moderation. Another example of the yin and the yang principle is wet and moist food, which is called yin, and dry crispy food is called yang. The Chinese principle also focuses on more liquid foods such as soups and wet porridges, whereas other countries focus more on drier food, making people drink more water during the day. Almost all the food in Chinese cuisine are made from the correct balance of yin and yang ingredients. Protein foods are seen as yang, while carbohydrates are yin. Chinese almost never serve salads raw, unlike the Western countries. They lightly cook almost all their salads, which helps the body to easily absorb their nutrients, an ancient Chinese tradition that enables food to retain its healing properties. Yin and Yang is much more than just opposites. It creates harmony. It makes for a greater, more complete whole. Meat has always been a source of protein, but it contains a high level of animal fat. But tofu is a good source of protein with zero fat content, and it also is an excellent source for many minerals your body needs for a healthy lifestyle. Made from soya bean curd, it is naturally gluten-free, and it's an excellent source of protein, iron and calcium. Tofu has become a major ingredient in the Chinese diet. It has also become very popular around the world. Rice is a staple food in the Chinese diet. However, in colder northern parts of China, more wheat is grown. Therefore, more wheat pasta and bread is produced. The benefits of rice include the ability to provide fast, instant energy. It also stabilizes blood sugar levels and slows down the aging process, while also providing the essential source of vitamin B1 to the human body. While a bowl of rice might contribute to 5% of your daily carb intake, it is still a greater nutritional value than, say, chips or French fries. Noodles are a staple food among the Chinese and have become a popular meal among other Asian countries as well as some Western nations. Rice noodles are more delicate in texture and flavor than wheat-based noodles, such as pasta. Rice noodles are low in fat and are gluten-free food. They also contain nutrients in the form of fiber, zinc and iron. Not only does Chinese food bring a balance of the essentials and healthy food groups, it also offers a great variety of flavors and textures through a variety of cooking styles and seasoning. Eating chilies can have a positive effect on people that are overweight or suffer from diabetes. It can help to boost circulation and also act as a thinner to help protect against strokes. A chili contains up to 7 times the vitamin C levels of an orange. It's also a good source of vitamin A and E. Ginger has always been a common ingredient in the Chinese cuisine. Many studies have shown it can decrease the risk of obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Garlic is another common ingredient in China. It contains vitamin C and vitamin B1, manganese and selenium. It's effective against high blood pressure, cholesterol, colds, and some cancers. By using sesame seeds and sesame oil in your cooking will help lower cholesterol levels, lower blood pressure, and also help to maintain a healthy liver function. Sesame seeds are full in high quality protein. Coriander leaves are rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, and protein. They also contain a small amount of calcium, phosphorus, and potassium. Coriander can lower the bad cholesterol and increase the levels of good cholesterol, and it also can lower blood sugars. Tea is the national drink in China. Chinese tea is an excellent supplement to already a balanced food cuisine. Chinese green tea is the oldest and most popular type of tea. It's a drink famous for its health benefits, fighting heart disease, digestion, and lowering the chances of cancer. Green tea is made from the new shoots of the tea plant. Then the tea leaves are dried and processed. The method of cooking in China is just as important as the ingredients in determining whether a particular dish is the healthy option or not. The Chinese always cook using a wok. A wok is a large frying pan, but the curved shape changes the way the food is cooked. It's healthier than a standard frying pan as it retains the heat more and it needs less cooking oil. Also, since the food can be pushed up the sides of the wok, excess oil can drain off before it is served. Because the wok gets hotter and the food takes less time to cook. For this reason, all ingredients are prepared beforehand. This method makes it quick and easier to cook the meal. Chinese food can be boiled, braised, poached, steamed, stir-fried, deep-fried, roasted, or smoked, in a wide variety of spices and sauces. From spicy to sweet and sour, Chinese food always has something for everybody's taste buds.